Good morning, students. Students, today I am going to discuss a new kind of tissue, and this tissue is muscular tissue. Students, initially I will discuss the general characteristic features of this tissue. Then later on I will tell you about the different types of muscular tissues. So, students, I want to tell you that muscular tissue is composed of long cylindrical muscle cells, which are also called as fibers, which all are arranged parallelly to each other. I mean to say that muscular tissue is composed of or made up of long cylindrical muscle fibers which are arranged in a parallel pattern. मीन्स जो आपका मस्कुलर टिश्यू है ये सिलेंड्रिकल स्ट्रक्चर की बहुत सारे मसल फाइबर से मिलकर के बना हुआ होता है जो पैरेलली आपस में अरेंज होते हैं. Now I am talking about an individual fiber. Means a muscle is composed of many muscle fibers. Now I am talking about a single fiber. A single fiber is made up of numerous fine myofibrils. वहीं एक सिंगल जो आपका मसल फाइबर है इसके पास भी कई सारे माइन्यूट से बहुत थिन आपके मायोफाइब्रिल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. ठीक है. एंड मायोफाइब्रिल शोज अ नंबर ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्टाइल यूनिट कॉल्ड सार्कोमियर्स. और अब ये जो जो आपका मायोफाइब्रिल है इसके ये किस चीज़ का बना हुआ है, ये कई सारे कॉन्ट्रैक्टाइल यूनिट्स का बना हुआ है जिनको बोलते हैं सार्कोमियर. तो वी कैन से दैट द सार्कोमियर इज द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट और स्मॉलेस्ट सेल ऑफ अ मस्कुलर टिश्यू and its boundaries or its plasma membrane is called as sarcolemma and its cytoplasm is called as sarcoplasm. So I am concluding it once again. Muscular tissue is composed of long cylindrical muscle cells or muscle fibers which are arranged in a parallel pattern. And if we will talk about these muscle fiber, each muscle fiber is made up of very fine numerous myofibrils. Now I am talking about myofibrils. What are myofibrils? Myofibril is made up of a number of contractile units which are called as sarcomere. Is it clear? Now what is sarcomere? Sarcomere is the smallest cell of the muscular tissue whose protoplasm is called as sarcoplasm or sarcoplasma, and its boundary is called as or its cell membrane is called as sarcolemma. Is it clear? No. Okay. आगे की कहानी सुनो. When excited by stimulus, the muscle contracts and then relaxes and comes back to original condition. Now, this muscle has ability to contract or to relax when it comes in contact of any stimulus. यानी कोई stimulus अगर आता है तो ये muscles जो हैं इसकी जो cells हैं in response of the stimuli they can contract and they can relax, or I mean to say that they can come in their normal or original position. So in this way the muscular tissue is involved in various kinds of body movements as well as the movement of the various organs, as well as it also helps in the locomotion of the living organism. So these were the some common characteristics of muscular tissue. Now I am talking about various types of muscle tissue. So muscle tissue or muscular tissue is of three different types. The first one is called striated muscle, the second one is called smooth muscle, and the third one is called as cardiac muscles. So initially I am talking about striated muscles. Now beta, why it is called striated? Because there are striations or dark or light bands are present in that particular muscle. So that's why this kind of muscle is called striated muscle, due to the presence of striations or light or dark bands. ठीक है, it is called as striated muscle and these are closely attached to the bones. ये जो muscles हैं striated muscles जो हैं these are closely attached with the bones or our skeletal system. So that's why these are also called as skeletal muscles. Now I am talking about their structure. They are multinucleated cylindrical unbranched cells. Here in the picture you can see that this is the first one diagram, and here you can see that this diagram, in that particular diagram you are observing three different muscles are there. ठीक है. And you can see that these are cylindrical structures. ठीक है. And the sarcolemma, you are observing sarcolemma means the membrane of that particular cell. These are multinucleated means they have multiple nucleuses are there. Here you are observing two types of bands, dark the blackish band and the light, the whitish band. It has two types of bands, dark band and light band. And the sarcoplasm, you know very well that the protoplasm of these muscles is called as sarcoplasm. Any muscle which are any kind of muscles, cytoplasm is referred as sarcoplasm. Now I am coming to the next point. These are voluntary in function, means they function or they work uh, on our desire, means ये हमारी डिज़ायर के अकॉर्डिंग काम करती हैं. सपोज आई वांट टू लिफ्ट माय हैंड, तो आई कैन लिफ्ट इट. तो इट मीन्स द मसल्स responsible here are striated muscles or skeletal muscles, and these muscles, since they are voluntary in action, that's why these are also called as voluntary muscles too. These are present in our biceps, triceps, limbs, etc, etc. ठीक है, so these are their location. Now the second kind of muscles are called as smooth muscles. Now these cells are spindle shaped or fusiform. Spindle shape means when we are taking two ice cream cones and one we are keeping vertically erect, and one over it we are keeping it inverted. So the shape which becomes or nappy forms, I can say that nappy type shape is called as spindle shape. Here you can see that spindle shape means the corners are quite thinner and the middle part is quite thicker. So this kind of structure is called as a spindle shape structure. Here there is a single cell, and here it is a cluster of cell or a sheet of fibers. So you can easily observe here these are स्पिंडल शेप सेल्स और फ्यूजीफॉर्म सेल्स, एंड दीज आर यूनिन्यूक्लिएटेड. आप देख रहे हैं कि ये यूनिन्यूक्लिएटेड है, इनके पास केवल एक सिंगल न्यूक्लियस प्रेजेंट होता है, एंड नो स्ट्रेशंस आर देयर, नो बैंड्स आर देयर. सो दैट्स वाई दीज आर कॉल्ड अनस्ट्रेटेड मसल्स टू. ठीक है, एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द फीचर्स आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू दैट a prominent nucleus is present at the center as you observed. Striations or bands are absent. दे आर इनवॉलेंट्री इन फंक्शन. ये मसल्स जो हैं इनवॉलेंट्री फंक्शन पे हैं, हमारी विल के अकॉर्डिंग काम नहीं करती हैं. ठीक है. सेल जंक्शंस होल्ड द सेल्स टुगेदर एंड दे बिकम बंडल टुगेदर इन अ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू सी. तो एज आई मैंशनड अर्लियर दैट इसमें आप देखा कई सारे के सेल जंक्शंस होते हैं जो इन सेल्स को आपस में बाइंड करके रखते हैं और एक सेल सीथ बना के रखते हैं. इट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन द वॉल ऑफ ब्लड वेसल्स, स्टमक एंड इंटेस्टाइन. तो देयर लोकेशन, where will we find them? We will find them in the walls of the blood vessels, we will find them in the walls of the stomach as well as the walls of the intestine. Now the third type of muscles which I am going to discuss today is cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscles are only present in the heart. These cells are cylindrical and branched. Here you can see that these are the cylindrical muscles and branched, they are divided into various branches. ठीक है. Now communication junctions called intercalated discs are present in between the junctions or in between the branches of two different cardiac muscles. So here you are observing that there are various branches, and there is a junction between these branches. In between the junction you are observing there, it is mentioned here, intercalated discs are present. ठीक है. Wherever the branches of two cardiac muscles are joining together, there you can see one disc shape structure, and this disc shape structure is called as intercalated disc. ठीक है. Okay, these cells make the cell contract as a unit. That is, all the cells of the heart wall function in a coordinated way. So means they can function in a coordinated way, that's why they can cause contraction as well as relaxation, means systole and diastole of heart. ठीक है. तो I think this is enough for today. Today we discussed about the characteristic features of muscular tissue as well as 3 different types of muscles. If you are feeling any difficulty to understand these topics, you can directly contact me. ठीक है, or you can send message. Once again I will meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you, bye bye, and have a nice day.